Renovation projects will often produce surprises, whether it is in the lack of correlation between the plans and the actual building, ensuring that nothing made off-site will actually fit, or the endless mind changes coming from the homeowners as they read additional glossy magazines or talk to more and more family members or neighbours. This incident was one of the more surprising ones. This involved a middle-aged couple who were downsizing, having become empty nesters. The kitchen in their newly bought home was entirely unworkable. They couldn't understand how the previous owners could have successfully used it. Contracts were signed. The renovation team commenced demolition. Everything was stripped out. The owners were limited to a camp stove on the dining table for a while, and a wall was removed. During the wall demolition, the lads came across something very strange. Hidden in a space between the plasterboard sheets on the wall to be removed, they came across an Indonesian Karis, a cultural dagger with a wavy blade. There was nothing to tell us how or why it was there. We passed it on to the new owners, and they were about as surprised as we were. They were, however, delighted to gain an extra gift. Make sure there are no surprises in your budget by heading on over to sitesupervisor.com.